Hey, what's up, YouTube? While Dwight is down, I figure I might as well work on something else that I can do something with. So my truck, the thing that I tow Dwight around in, is this right here. A 2017 F350. I don't have a name for it as I do for Dwight, but I do not like the chrome running boards. So they're coming off, and I'm going to put on some Raptor running boards that I found on Marketplace for a good sum. Good price. I only buy stuff if it's a good deal. Tim's told you that, but these were a good deal. So I drove an hour and 15 minutes to go get them and an hour and 30 minutes back. And it's time to put them on. Now the guy I bought them from didn't like them, took them off immediately. They even had the tags on them. So let's do a facelift. Or a side lift. I don't know, the Kardashians can tell me what this is. So step one is going to be to take off all the nuts on the back, and I'll show you. We're going to remove these right here. There's 3 of them on the Super Duty rails. We're going to pull those off. There's only 2 on the Raptor, so that's going to be a little bit quicker. Let's get it. My tip for keeping dust out of your face when you're working under there, or dirt and rocks, is be behind the frame. If you're behind the frame rails, the dirt will drop on your chest instead of in your face. And if you're wondering, it's a 1/2 inch. All right, and there it is. That one is a heck of a lot lighter than the Raptor. I think that's going to be a nice upgrade. And that is exactly why I like them. They hug up nice and tight. They don't drag down so much. Woo! Heck yeah. And there it is. What would it be, taking off 9 nuts, putting on 6, and yeah, I like the look of that much better. That'll work. So all of the running boards for the F-150 and the Raptor fit on the Super Duties. So go have a ball. The parts will fit. Mine's a 2017. The boards are from a 2023. And I'll give you the dad joke of the day that kind of goes along with this. My wife said that I'm cheap. I don't buy it. The wheels, takeoffs. You know what I'm saying? They're what, off of I think a 2020, and they came with tires. Bought them right up. There you go. All right. I'm wondering if I didn't put the floorboard from the wrong side. I'm gonna have to go look. Dang it. Yep, wrong side. So everything that I showed you is correct. I just put the wrong running board on. Well, mistakes were made. Again? Come on. You ever done something like that where you put the wrong side on? There were no directions, but I just didn't look it up either. And now looking at it, when I looked at it, I went, that doesn't look right. And it isn't. So I'm pulling it off, putting the other one back on. I think that's gonna take me about 10 minutes total. Here we go. And through the magic of YouTube, I have the right one on the right side. I think it looks better. Oh, I like that look a lot better though. For me, worth the money. What do you think? Oh, and taking that one off and putting the other one on, tops 3 minutes. Super simple project. Do not be intimidated by it. If you've got those stock chrome ones and you don't like all the chrome on your truck, go change them out. Looks a lot better. Marketplace for the win. And so my overall impression, super easy mod to do. Go ahead and look for those F350 or the Raptor running boards in your Facebook Marketplace. Put them on your Super Duty. They raise the level of the belt line, so to speak. They make it look a little taller. Looks good. And I like getting a little bit more chrome off of it, but hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe if you have a Ford, you go and check that out. Thanks for watching the channel. If you can do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, hit the like, drop a comment, anything helps the channel and we'd really appreciate it. There's another small DIY adventure and we'll see you on the next adventure.